Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 blue screen restart loop fix collecting error info fast. First method is change startup settings. Press F5 to enable safe mode with networking. Second method is system restore. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.